Guys, welcome to this another video about HSI. If you haven't seen the last one, please check it. It's very important that you do. And let's go to the HSI. And so by now, watching this HSI, we already have the tools to understand that we are facing heading 360. Okay, so we are facing 360 and we are over the line of position 180360, but if the VOI is here in the center, where is my aircraft? Well, if I'm heading 360, the VOI is here and it's behind me, I have to be here. Okay, because if I would be here, the VOR would be in front of me, not behind me. So that's not my aircraft. My aircraft is here. So I can say that I am the line of over this line of position. I'm on radial 360, heading 360, and course 360. Why? Remember, the course is the track that I'm maintaining, that I'm doing to maintain my radial. Okay, so, or my line of position. So I'm maintaining this radial on track 360. So I'm on course 360. Okay, and to maintain this radial, the only thing that I have to do is it's to follow, obviously, 360, because if the line of position it's heading to 360, okay, let's say no wind conditions, okay, if I want to follow this line, I'm over the line, I'll have just to track 360 or heading 360 in no wind conditions. Okay, and basically this is it. So let's do a practical exercise over here at Luís Monteiro simulators, and I'm gonna put the aircraft in any random position. All right, and now my goal is, where am I? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to align the CDI bar. See in which line of position am I? Okay, it's almost there. Okay, it's here. Okay, so I know that I am, let's say, once again, we can take we can take a snap of this thing and we can imagine. Okay, so let's see, red pen. So the VOR, it's here. Okay, I'm facing upward direction, so 360. I'm over this line, all right, and they say that the VOR, it's in that direction, it's 2. Okay, so if I'm here, let me change the, for instance, blue pen. If I'm here, okay, is the VOR in that direction? No, it's here. But if I'm here, now the VOR, it's in that direction. Yes, it is. It's in front of me. If you put a line here, now yes, the VOR, it's in front of me. So I am this aircraft here. Can I go back? Undo? No? Okay, so yeah. So basically I'm here and this is the VOR. Okay? One tip that I like to use is when I'm flying, okay, and when I was a student and I was lost and I needed to know where I was. First of all, okay, we center let's uncenter this. Okay, let's center it. I would center it, and now I'll take it out of pause, okay? And now I would fly, I'm gonna bank right to maintain my line of position, okay? And why? Because if I don't do this, the line of position will be always going away from what I want, from what I am right now. What's what I want to say with this? It's like this, okay? So let's do it like this. If I, okay, it's centered now. So pause. So now, since I am following, I think I can even take it out of pause. So if I'm just following this line of position, okay, I'm following course 065, I'm on radial, sorry, 245, okay, I can assess my situation. I can see that, okay, if my VOR is here, I'm over this line of position, the VOR is in front of me, so I have to be here. I'm on radial 245 because the VOR is here and it's in front of me and I'm going in this direction, okay? And I am able to stop and think about all this because I'm always over the same radial. If I was, let's say, in another situation, let me put it like this. Pause. Let me put it like, imagine instead of there I was over here, okay? Doesn't matter where. Okay, imagine now. So take it out of pause, all right? So I am now maintaining heading. Okay, it's not unpaused. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's going. Well, first of all, center the CDI. Okay, now I know my line of position. I'm gonna start thinking. Okay, so if the VOR is here, okay, and I'm over this line of position, going upwards, all right, and the VOR it's in front of me or front left side of me, I have to be on this radial, right? So pause. Now that I came to this conclusion, I am no longer over this radial because it has already passed. You understand what I'm saying? If, for instance, I'm gonna take it out of pause, instead of doing this, I would just select, another line of position and just go there to follow it. Now, I'm just gonna change. It's a quick tip. Always put the course selector in the upper half part of your instrument. So this course selector needle, if you put it always in the top part of your instrument, it will tell you always your true course. Oh, damn it. Too much. All right. So yeah, so pause. Now I can even take it out of pause, okay? And now let's do the same thinking process. The VOR is here, I'm over this line of position, I'm going upwards, and the VOR is in front of me. If the VOR is here and it's in front of me and I'm going upwards, I'll have to be here, right? I'm here going upwards with the VOR in front of me. Okay, so I am at radial 183, more or less. Okay, and once again, I'm still over the radial. I'm still over the line of position. I'm still following the same line of position, the same radial. Okay, but if I was 90 degrees from the radial I am currently assessing, I don't have that much time. It doesn't mean you cannot do it. Just don't do it in the beginning when you are basically a noob and you're gonna take a while to know where you are and to do this thinking process. Okay, so to resume everything, first of all, center the CDI. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, center the CDI. Now, to make it easier, you center the CDI. You know that you are over this line of position. You know that you are going on adding approximately 0, 1, 0. And now you imagine the VOR at the center. If the VOR at the center and you're going upwards, can you be this guy? No, because the VOR it's not in front of you. So you have to be here. Since you are here, you're going over this line of position. The VOR it's in front of you, as the 2 from indicator says, okay, because we imagine the VOR in the center. Okay, we are this aircraft here. So we are on radial 183 approximately. And this is how we assess where we are. Okay. Now that we know where we are, in the next video I'm going to explain how we're going to intercept other radials, okay, other line of positions, whatever you want to call it, but basically we already know we are gonna stop calling it line of position, but because you can already cope with radials. All right, so we are going to learn how to intercept another radials inbound and outbound, and basically that's it. See you in the next video, guys.